Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be using the Meta AI mobile app, and trust me, it's very different. So stick close and let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Meta AI app, and there's a bunch of cool things that you can do here. It's more than just a chatbot. So if you want to compare it to things like ChatGPT or Perplexity or anything like that, it's very different. It does a lot of the same functions though. So here you can ask anything. So if you have a query such as create a friendly story about K-pop demon hunters, and here you will get results just as usual. You can see that there's a nice little story going on over here, and what you want to do is then you can reply to that. You can even add some media and so forth. Now, if you go back to this homepage, you can also create a video from your photograph. So let's do that. Okay, here is a photograph of me with a VW tattoo on my face. Don't ask me how I got it. So here it says create a video from my photo. And what you're going to do is you are going to just give it a second to generate that video. And there we go. That is my video created from my photograph, and it was actually very simple. You can also do a follow-up prompt if you want to change anything about this, but that's pretty sick. The nice thing about Meta AI though is, other than being a creation tool and a chatbot, is we have these, and they're called vibes. On the bottom right, you can tap on that, and this is like an Instagram or a reel styled interface where you can literally slide, and these are all the creations that have been made within Meta AI. And what's nice is you can actually tap this plus button up on the top right over here, and you can actually use what is happening within this video, and you can recreate from this video. You can also interact with it like you would on Reels, so you can like, you can unlike, you can comment, you can share, and there's a bunch of other things. You can also follow the creator, so you can see that this is like the creator that created that. And you can go ahead and you can scroll through this, and you can also create your own, and you can actually potentially find your videos within here as well. On the left hand side, you have your menu, and the last thing that you need to see is being able to connect a device. So once you click on this, you can connect your Meta glasses, and if you tap on add device, you can actually literally connect it, and it'll be synced with this mobile app.